Yep. You know, when that lands, when you see this pop, there's some goodies in there. Let's get to this little package right here. Let's see what's in there. Whoop. Pop. So in that package I just showed you, this was also in there. I ordered two things. This is an adapter so I could use the Galaxy S22, S23, S24 Ultra as a webcam. Pop. It has a USB port, HDMI port, USB-C port, and then it goes into your PC. So you could use your phone, being that they have amazing cameras nowadays. You could use your $1,000 plus phone as a DSLR. Sometimes they're even better than that for streaming, recording videos, or what have you. Let's get to it. Let's see if it works. Pop. So I have a Elgato HD60X Plus capture card. That was about $200 and something when I got it. I'll place that in the link in the description too. But I may not even use that one. I use that every day for streaming. But I may use a budget capture card that I've had for a while. That's about 15 bucks. And I'm going to show you that right now. So we may use this bad boy. Excuse all the shiny lights. But we might use that with that if need be. Or I also have this one. So we got a variety of capture cards that we're going to use with this. Because I like a capture card with all my cams. So if the right pronunciation of this company, it has no name on it, so that's good because some people like things blank. But it's Midorling, something like that. But I'll place it there. It's just weird, but it feels like what it is. It's like about 10 bucks right now on sale on Amazon, and it has all the ports that I just explained to you. So it's pretty durable. The wire. That's the USB-C. And they send you a gift. And look what they say. Gift. Don't show it. Make it a surprise. It's a USB, like adapter, like a pop to convert it into C. So that was nice of them. A lot of people in the reviews I seen, they said they actually received 2 of these products and they were grateful. They were like, oh, amazing. Some people said it worked for like 2 months, then it stopped working. And a lot of people said they were being sent 2. So they seem to be pretty generous. But this is a reverse psychology tactics for advertising. Gift. Do not show it. Make it a surprise. They know that humans, we're going to be like, oh my God, look. They gave me this, John. Wow. So there you go, bro. Pretty good company so far. Pop. So as you can see, I connected the USB portion of the capture card to the front of my PC case to the top, being that all these cables are taken, although I have a dock around there, but it's cool up here for now. I'm just trying to see, could we make this work? So then I put USB to the case, USB out, pop, and now we're about to connect the HDMI out because it's already connected to the monitor, which is this cable right here. Pop. So now here's the little adapter, and we're about to put this HDMI 8K Ultra HD cable into it. Pop. Let's see if it works. So once you set everything up, your camera is gonna look like this, and there's nothing that you could do unless you download one of those payable apps. I'm pretty sure they got some free one, but it's a mission, believe me. And it's extra stuff that you don't even need. So you download this camera assist at the Samsung store, right? Camera assist. You need this. Without that, nothing is happening. All these things are gonna stay there. But before you do that, if you don't fix whatever settings for like the coloration, the filter for your skin tone or what have you, right? So your video could look better. If you don't fix it now, before you take off these settings from right here from the screen, you can't do it later. So you could be changing them within your phone screen and it's not going to change on your PC. It's going to be whatever it was while these settings were there. You get it? So you have to do it now. So you go to the pop right here, ping, and let's say you want it on just regular or this is a good one, or warm, right? For your lighting, however you do it. Now you get off of it, pop, right? It's there, it's on warm. Pop, and let's go to the app Camera Assist that I downloaded from the Samsung Play Store. Pop, you go all the way to the bottom right here where it says, let me get it for you. Let me stretch this out a little more. It says clean. You see, look at all the settings. It says clean preview on HDMI displays. Show the camera preview without settings or buttons on HDMI connected displays. Pop, you toggle that on. Now you get off of there, pop, and now let's go to the camera and see if all that is still on it. It's gonna change now, the size and everything. Pop. There you go. There's nothing on it. Amazing. So that's how you do that. Now you could try to change whatever settings and it's not gonna work. You need to do it ahead of time. Not even coloration, nothing. I tried. The only way you could change your coloration, the best way is go to tap right click on your mouse, right wherever you got this video capture at. Hit filters and add a color correction filter. And I don't even know if it lets you do that. But let's see. And you can add, yeah, I guess so. You can add color, saturation, or take away with the color correction, or make it brighter, or make it darker. The darker you make it, the worse it's gonna make your skin tones look. And you're trying to get a better camera. If your lighting ain't right, you'll look demolished on the screen, bro. So you got to get that right. You get it? So right now, we're not worried about how I look. I'm showing you something. Boom. The lights are even out in here. So this is the best solution. Trust me. I've tried it all. And this was $9.99 on Amazon. The link is in the description. The HDMI cable didn't come with that. I paid $17 for the... Was this one $17? It wasn't no more than, oh yeah, because it's long. I want to make sure. I don't like to just say something. So I bought HDMI to USB. Simple, just the cable, because you could do that with DeX, a setting right within your Galaxy S22, S23, or the 24. Some other Galaxies got it. I don't know about those. I know about the latest Galaxies, respectfully. But, I have another older Galaxy and it don't have it. So, with that being said, that cable was $17. But the only thing is that you better off getting this adapter, because I wind up getting the adapter anyway. Because I said, nah, it got to be easier this way. Because I figure, like, there's no way to charge the phone. So, if you're streaming, your phone got to be at 100 all the time. And once it goes down, you got to get off. Because your main camera is off unless you're using two cameras, right? But you want something plugged where it's always charging your phone. And on top of that, I added a capture card now. So it got it grew. The project grew. Hopefully you got something out of this, my guy.